ZANU-PF has confirmed that it will take stern action against party officials accused of embezzling thousands of United States dollars intended for the empowerment of grassroots supporters. Sarabina mashoko abuda panguva ine ZANU ichiadhibhita kuti aiwa mumaparty structures muri kuita rampant looting and corruption. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina muna mubuda nyuka mchenzi. A source in the ZANU-PF commissariat said last week, we are going to conduct an inquiry into the empowerment funds to assess their impact in different communities across the country and to also enable us to weed out those who abused the resources. These funds are not meant to be misappropriated and then forgotten. We need to see the tangible work being done through these initiatives. The party emphasized that it will not tolerate any nefarious activities within its ranks. The investigation aims to identify culprits and ensure accountability, reaffirming ZANU-PF's commitment to transparency in the empowerment programs. This inquiry will help us ensure that resources reach the intended beneficiaries and that any wrongdoing is dealt with decisively, the source added. The move comes amid growing concerns about misuse of party funds, highlighting the ruling party's efforts to safeguard initiatives aimed at empowering communities across Zimbabwe. Tomashoko ari kuda panguva ino muri Zimbabwe yatiri ZANU yabuditsa a statement icho ichipa a warning kune vese vari kuba empowerment funds. Panguva ino taona some of the critics vari kuaccuse vachiti their leader aiwa vanhu vakaita sana Tagwirei vari kuonekwa kunzi these are some of the people vari kuonekwa kunzi vari kubawo zvekare. Yes, they are providing empowerment, but structures avo neleadership dzavakapointa, they are the ones vari kutotungamira kulutiwa kwemaresources ewaya. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.